Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today we are going to do a small project on Tinkercad using Arduino. So let's get started. So this is a project running LEDs using potentiometer. This is how I have connected the setup. These all are digital pins, analog pin, and I've connected digital pin 2345 with these four LEDs through resistors. Then I've grounded the connection, and then I've also supplied the 5 watt supply like this. I've connected a potentiometer. Here is the ground connection. Here is the 5 watt connection. Actually, it was hiding behind the potentiometer. So now you can see it. And the analog pin connection through A0. Here it is like this. So basically, the Arduino's analog to digital converter or ADC converts an incoming analog signals that is between 0 to 5 watt into a range of numbers from 0 to 1023. So what we are going to do in this project is, I'm sure you must have came across some running LEDs or some running lights when you visit some malls or restaurants, or you have surely seen this on Diwali day. Like many people decorate their homes with the running vertical LEDs and lights, which look so beautiful. So that's what we are going to do. But the little change here is that we are going to control the speed of the LEDs through potentiometer. We can make it slow, we can make it fast. So let's get started. Let me first simulate it, then I will show you the code. Okay, so it's already a mess. So you can see uh, it is running it's not even running, it's just moving very slowly. Now I will move the knob of the potentiometer and it will run a little bit fast. Uh, Change is very slight, so it's not that much noticeable. I will move the knob again, and now the change is visible. The speed of the lights has increased. Now I will move the knob again, and now the change is completely visible. They are running. Actually, they are running like we see in malls or on Diwali. So how I have done this, I have to explain it through code. So this is a code. We have introduced a variable called sensor value. Its starting value is of course 0. We have mentioned it here. Int sensor value is equal to 0. In the setup, we have made the input through analog pin A0 and output is through digital pin 2345, because these are the LEDs that we want to glow up. And in the loop, first we will read the value from the sensor, like what value delay value actually I am been providing by moving the knob of the potentiometer. So since we have introduced a function which is called analog read, uh, it will help us to know the state of the pins, current state of the pins. So sensor value would be equal to analog rate A0. Then we have written the code for the LEDs, digital write to high. That means the LED connected with the second digital pin will glow up. High means it will glow up, and low means it will not glow, basically. Then instead of delaying it for a constant period of time, we have delayed it for the sensor value. And these sensor value are in milliseconds, of course, and milliseconds, to be more precise, these are between 0 to 1023 milliseconds. Okay. So we have delayed it for the sensor value because as we will move the knob of the potentiometer, the sensor value will change. And then I've written the same code again and again. Then I've made the second LED that is connected with the second pin, this red one, low, and I've made this LED high, then I've made this low and this high, then I've made this low and this high, and then I've again made this low and this red LED high. So this is the code that I've written in the loop, and what we write in the loop will uh, continue executing again and again. So it will execute non-stop, and through the delay value, uh, we will have a hold on the speed of the LEDs. So this is the code. I will show it again. It's running very fast. and then I can move the knob, and the speed will get reduced. This is because the value that is between 0 to 10323, uh, when I move the knob this side, the value is something bigger. You can say around 700. So so delay is 700 milliseconds. Now it is delaying for 700 milliseconds. I'm just taking it for an example. If I move this here, then it will delay for more time, probably for 900 milliseconds. So its speed is slow. But when if I will move it like this, then actually the uh, its value in millisecond is like 100. So 100 is a small value, so it's moving very fast. It's delaying for a very small amount of time. So I hope you all like this video. Please make sure you hit the like button, and if you want to see more such simulations on the Tinkercad, then you can subscribe for sure. Thank you.